Slack is where teams get work done. It's where companies can amplify employee productivity by bringing in agents and automating processes. Let's learn how Slack scales digital labor, enables a streamlined view of your customers and business, and is the best place to keep work moving forward. I'm Kerry Chow, joined by Kamila Kaidarov, Slack Senior Director of Product Marketing, and Mike Reynolds, Slack Developer Marketing. Kamila and Mike, thanks for joining us, but this is going to be a bit of a free-for-all. I want to know what makes Slack the ultimate work operating system for team collaboration. Kamila, you first.
Sure, but I feel like that was just an intro of, like Sunday.
I'm trying.
It was fantastic. Yeah. So Slack has always been where teams love to work, and that's how we build it. It's for people to use it to work with other people, not just to, Mike and I are biased. We will send each other cat photos, but not just to do that. It's about actually getting work done and saying, all right, what do I need from you? What do you need from me so we can get things moving forward? And we keep building, like I said, tools for that. So Agentforce in Slack is all about making those agents your teammates. Things like Salesforce channels, bringing everyone together in one space to have a conversation around the work and to do the work. Because it's when you combine apps and data and people and AI and agents, that's when you can actually say, all right, I can go from point A to point B that much faster. That means I can get my work done faster, whatever approvals I need, whatever thing I need to accomplish to get through the day. Yeah. And for developers, right?
Not only when you were talking about apps, remember, we can build our own apps and deploy them into Slack, or you can use any of the 2,600 plus partner apps that live in Slack natively. So, a lot of the tools that we're working with all day long, there's already an app and it's there. It's just a matter of installing it. Like the Salesforce for Slack app. It's a great one. Everybody should have that, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because it's going to enable things like that Salesforce channels where I can have that Salesforce data natively living inside of Slack. That's such a game changer.
Oh, it's absolutely. I think it's really, you get to set up Slack for the way you work. So whatever systems you want to integrate, whatever tools you want to bring to the table, you get to create this entire ecosystem. You get to create an entire ecosystem right within one tool, one platform, right? And it brings Salesforce together, brings Slack together, bring everyone together, so that it's not disconnected and you're not swivel chairing. Everything's coming to you to accomplish what you need to do.
And all of those other systems, right? Bringing all of those other systems together in context. Yeah. One of my favorite use cases, we have a lot of finance teams outside of Salesforce, right? They're in some back-end ERP. We can directly hook up into that back-end ERP so that my finance team that isn't in Salesforce, but they are in Slack, we can all still work together around an account or around a service incident. And we can get things done really quickly and smoothly. Everybody has the visibility that they need. Even though they're still getting that work done in that other system, it happens in Slack.
I love how we're so anti-swivel chair.
Yeah.
Because it's about efficiencies, though, right? It's seconds, minutes, hours, it all adds up in that efficiency. And there's nothing wrong, with sending a bunch of cat emojis, and the shortcuts for emojis being sent on Slack as well. It builds team camaraderie. I love it. But to explore how Salesforce uses Agentforce in Slack, scan the QR code on your screen. But let's take a look at a demo of Slack in action.
Say hello to Slack, your agentic work operating system. Slack brings together your people, your apps, your systems, and your data, augmented by AI, automation, and agents to deliver unmatched productivity. Slack is the perfect place to do everything within your business, from inspecting your pipeline and closing deals, to swarming around customer service incidents as a team in real time. And with Salesforce channels, conversational data is accessible from wherever you're working, whether in Salesforce or Slack. And with shared lists and to-dos, it's easy to track work across key projects and initiatives, while Slack canvases make it easy to organize and share the bigger picture, all while bringing customers, partners, and vendors directly into the conversation with Slack Connect. Now, are you ready to work faster? Embedded AI in Slack is intuitive and immediately usable. No ramp-up required. Enterprise Search surfaces the answer you need, whether it lives in a doc, dashboard, past conversation, or CRM record. And AI-powered recaps and summaries give you smart digests of unread channels, threads, or meetings, allowing you to catch up in seconds. And when it's time to take action, everything you need is already at your fingertips, wherever you're working. Salesforce-based channels automatically pull in CRM data, dashboards, and workflows, creating a shared source of truth for teams. With Agentforce and Slack, you have a dedicated team of agents ready to assist, whether it's updating records, pulling reports, or guiding a new rep. These employee-facing agents are here to help, right in the flow of work. And with Workflow Builder, anyone can automate everyday tasks, like routing approvals, sharing updates, or onboarding new employees, across thousands of integrated apps. No code, no bottlenecks. Work doesn't work like it used to, but with everything and everyone in one place, powered by AI and agents, Slack makes work better than ever before.